Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FREE. We will take a look at the daily time frame. This is one that's obviously, and I know I'm stating the obvious here, has went on a massive upwards move here. Made a lot of people money, but I've been getting quite a few questions on it from people that have hopefully bought down in this area here. But nonetheless, just want to get things updated here on a very interesting chart, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. Besides, of course, the obvious fact that the price is going up. You don't really need a chart to figure that one out. But as far as supports and resistance levels go, that's what this video will be geared towards. So let's first just start off with some support levels. The key level of support at the end of the day, any way you slice it, is going to be this purple line down here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Technically speaking, and I'm not saying this will happen, and I know nobody wants this to happen, but the price could come all the way down here, find support, and then head back up, and the chart would still be bullish. How in the heck do you may be thinking, how is that possible? Well, let's think about that. If it did find support down here, and this is where the new set of lows is, and then you look where the previous set of lows was, and then when you go to draw your trend line, by connecting the lows, you can draw an uptrend line, and uptrends are the name of the game. So again, I'm not saying it will go down there, and I know nobody wants to see it go down there, but technically speaking, it could, and as long as it remains above this longer term moving average, the trend will still remain in the bull's favor. Now, some more ideal levels of support that you'll want to see it hold. To be honest, I'm not sure if this is a support or resistance. Basically right at the level there. We'll call it a level of support for now. So this level is up at 79 cents. You can see the price technically closed a little bit below it. So I guess it's really a level of resistance, but I'm going to make this a little skinny line to represent. While it is a level of resistance, shouldn't take much to get back above it, but that's going to be one level of resistance. Now let's hop back to talking about supports. The next level of support that sticks out is just simply this previous high from way back here, and that is valued at 64 cents. So this will be another area of support, and one of those more ideal ones. Again, I'm sure nobody would want to see it drop down to 64 cents, but that's kind of the catch-22 when you make these parabolic moves like this. It does create rather big spaces between the support levels with any sort of pullback. So that'll be another area of support. And then the next area right down in this zone here where you had all these previous highs, so we'll just call that one at 52 cents. And then of course the 50-day simple moving average, which we've already talked about. Now as far as resistance levels go, pretty straightforward on this one. The one that sticking out right now is back from this high on May 16th, which was at 92 cents. Today's high was 9.9287. This high was 0.9184. So right here, the power of charts, pretty darn impressive how using these previous highs would have done a good job of forecasting where this level of resistance was. And then the next level of resistance is actually right up there, this pink line there, which is the big bad 200-day simple moving average. But if it can start to act like it did down here above the 50-day, then you could be looking at another nice move upwards through that one. But first things first, we'll have to see how long this current consolidation goes, how deep it goes, and then see what sort of upwards move we get. But want to finally end on the volume aspect. On the upwards days, you can see massive volume, and then on right here, a consolidation day, pullback, sideways day, whatever you want to call it, volume did drop off. And as any textbook will tell you, during sideways days, that's what you want to see, much less volume compared to the breakout day. So again, volume analysis standpoint, acting right how you would want to see it. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, if you enjoy the video and want to learn about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at an educational course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself and into your education as a trader, and check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was FREE. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.